बैटिंग चार्ज खराब थे ना वेट किया
Started a bit late, but nevertheless, thank you very much for all of you for coming this wonderful occasion. Before we start these proceedings, let's raise for the national anthem. We have to light the traditional oil lamp. To do the honors, may I call upon our chief guest of this evening, Mr. Lakshman Hulugal, Mrs. Mansoor, Mr. Sabri Marika, Mr. Vijay Surya, Mr. Rajita, Mr. Kalana, Dr. Ramasubbu, and Mr. Anura. actually represents as to how to assemble a computer. The computer has become a very important software, and this will definitely benefit the upcoming technicians and learners alike. And you are most welcome to buy this book over the counter. Next, I call upon this chief guest of this, Mr. Lakshman Hulugalla. Mr. Lakshman Hulugalla, who completed his secondary education, he then followed a diploma course in advertising, sales and marketing at the Sri Lanka Institute of Marketing. Currently, Mr. Hulugalla is serving as the Director General of the Media Center for National Security, Director General of the NGO Secretariat of the Ministry of Defense, and the Deputy to the Conference of Heads of States of the United Nations, Copenhagen in Denmark. He represented Sri Lanka's first youth conference in Mauritius in 1987, and in 1985 he represented Sri Lanka at the International Youth Conference held to commemorate the International Youth Year in Tokyo. He also published the books of Ape Excellency, the President of Sri Lanka, Honorable Mahinda Rajapaksa, and his Secretary of Defense, Mr. Gotabaya Rajapaksa. The giant force behind the successful humanitarian operation from 2006 to 2009, and Ho Mahinda Nam VA, a collection of experience highlighting humans, quality of His Excellency President of Sri Lanka, Honorable Mahinda Rajapaksa, in 2006. Mr. Lakshman Hulugalla has also produced many award-winning telefilms, among which are the film directed by Dharmasena Pathiraja on the Mahaveli project in 1987, and the telefilm Purasakmana in 1988. Purasakmana telefilm is the first Russian novel of the translated to Sri Lanka. Sandagiri Power, directed by Parakrama Niriyella in 1994. So, we have a wonderful guest of honor today with multiple talents. So please welcome Mr. Lakshman Hulugalla for the guest presentation. So over to you, sir.
Members of the head table, ladies and gentlemen, I came prepared, not prepared for a speech, because I was invited by Mr. Zahir for this book launch, but this is not a subject which is much familiar to me. I got to know Mr. Zahir some time back when he was a student at St. Anne's College, where I had my education in Kurunegala. And in Kurunegala, about 4 years back or 5 years back, he launched his first book, and I was lucky enough to be there as one of the guests with the principal of St. Anne's College, Reverend Denzil Mendes. I have seen the talent of this young Mr. Zahir, and whenever he wanted support, practically the courage or the support whenever he wanted, I always met him, and I said my support is always there as a Hanite and also a young upcoming person. So today he has compiled a book on how to assemble a computer. Is something which is not very much known to me, because I am not a technical person. I am very much used to speak about national security or politics or something relevant to that. But this subject, I think, how to assemble a computer or subject of IT is very useful for the school children as well as the adults. Because today the world's trend has turned into IT and computer. And this goes up with English education, which is very much necessary to have IT. The English education and IT goes together. So I attended to a seminar very recently about how we can educate IT e-systems to the rural is about 2 weeks back, and it's a NGO which organized that seminar, and they were trying to organize for many rural schools and the organization to get to know about IT, because Sri Lanka's literacy rate, when you take it very high, we have a very high literacy rate in the region of Asia. But unfortunately, if you take the literacy rate of IT or computers or technology, is quite low when you compare with the normal literacy rate. But with the globalization, I think we should encourage, especially the young people, children, school children, and whoever who can get into this, to get into this IT technology. So I think this book will definitely help the young students, and also for the people who are going into IT and computer will definitely help. For us, I think the computer and the IT came more than halfway of our life. Maybe last 20 years we have been using computers, but when we were in school and when we were young, when we were schooling, we never had the opportunity of using a computer. But we know only a little how to use a computer. But today, a student who knows about computer, they can get into the world and they know much more than what we knew when we were young at that time. So with this, there is lot to be educated, and I hope that Mr. Zahir's book will help the young people to get into computer education. So I wish Mr. Zahir all the best, and many more years he will produce more books which will help the students and also the adults of Sri Lanka. And I wish, and I have been telling Mr. Zahir that if there is anything that I can do for him in my capacity, not as official, as all NIT who have been together in the same school, although he was not in school when I was in school, as NIT, I'm always there to help him. Thank you, and I wish all the best for Mr. Zahir.
Zahir, to give away the tokens of appreciation for our honorable guest and guest of honors.